Guys, welcome back. I'm going a little, trying something new a little bit, whatever. Anyways, welcome back to this video, guys. Thanks for stopping by. Today I have these little pieces of garbage from work, little feeder wires. I'll take them back, don't worry. I'll throw them away at work or whatever, put them in the scrap bin. But I wanted to bring this home and make a little video of how to strip these wires out for you guys. So there's a few different ways you can do this. Obviously, you want use a razor blade, and sharper the better. Depending on if you're terminating this at the panel or whether you're just stripping these out to pull them in for to pull the wire into their locations. There's a few different ways you can do this. If you're terminating, what you want to do is just take like the last inch or two off, and then make sure you don't cut into the wire, and then just take it off. But I'll show you how to do that. I think I'm probably gonna have to go grab my strippers real quick, because usually I use my strippers to help take them off. But if you're just stripping this out to tie it around a rope or something, or tie it around a string, what you want to do is there's a few different ways you can do this. You can either cut it like this long ways, or you can cut into it and dig into it this way, and then just like peel it off that way. Peel it like a banana, sort of like a hot dog, this way, or you can just slice it off this way and then cut it around this side and then just peel it off that way. But I'll try to show you that I'll probably just try to do the end first and then strip it, that way I don't ruin both ways. But anyways, so if you're just gonna terminate this, what you want to do is you kind of just want to grab it like this, and then usually when it's in place you can't do this. It's just easier for me because it's freely, I can spin it in a circle. But what you want to do is, I'll try not to do that though, but what you want to do is just once the wire's in place, you just want to grab it like this, and then just kind of twist it like this and keep some pressure, but not too hard. Usually it takes a couple times to go through because this stuff is really thick, but you just don't want to score the wire, so when you terminate it, it doesn't have any problems or anything like that. But usually the wire's in place, but for the sake of this video I can turn this, but I probably won't. Just want to go over it a couple times, stay in the groove that you make, so try to keep a straight line, and then just go like this. I mean, you can do it a few different ways. You can use the tip of it like this and just go down, or you can keep your hand on the back side and keep the pressure even. So like that, like this. And then once you get it all the way around, you just kind of want to just cut it straight. And this will also take a couple times to go through, depending on how sharp your razor is, but you also don't want to cut the wire. And then depending on how well you cut it, usually I just take my strippers and kind of peel this up, but my strippers are on the other side, and looks like I cut this fairly well, so maybe I won't have to. So this razor looks pretty sharp, but so that's how you do it. And it turned out decent, but as you can see, a little crooked, but for the sake of the video, anyways. So what you want to do is make sure it's not nicked. So basically you don't want to go all the way through the jacket. You just want to cut it like 95%, and then just make sure you peel off the last of it, so you're not digging into the wire. And I think I did a pretty good job. I don't think I nicked it too bad. So that's what it looks like. You just want to make sure you don't dig into the wire around there. Forget why, but it messes with the something. And then just make sure you don't cut this as well. So this is what it looks like. Just cut a ring around it and then slice it open. Then it usually just peels off. And then, so if you're just doing a feeder, if you're just pulling the feeders in, you can either do the same thing down here, cut a ring around it, and then either cut it straight or slice it sideways. And there's a trick that you can kind of do it. You can either just strip it like this and keep it as flat as possible. That way it slides down the plastic and not cutting the wire, because that'll ruin your blade. So you can just go like this and it looks like this is actually working really well because the blade is super sharp. And it's just coming off basically in one piece like that. So that's one way to do it, is going away from yourself, and then there's another way that goes towards yourself. You want to keep your hand on the back side so you're not like losing grip or whatever. You can also do that, and again, you're going to want to keep the blade flat as possible, and you're just going to kind of want to, I think I'm kind of going into the other groove already from the last one, but sort of like that. So I'll try it on the other one real quick, just so I'm not messing anything up, and I'm not going to use the good side, so I'm going to use this side over here. So I'm just going to go back in flat as possible, and trying to just pull up on it. So as you can see, I'm getting it, but it is getting pretty tight, so kind of just want to hold it really firmly, and I kind of let go at the end. But so there you go. Sharp blades really help, and then you can also just cut it when you're pulling the feeders. It doesn't matter if you cut a ring into it or whatever, but if you're terminating, you don't want to damage the wire at all. So once you do that, you can cut into this. You can just go as hard as possible, and then usually just start back here or the other side, but this side's probably easier, and then it just comes all off in one piece like that. And then I'll try to do another demonstration here. So the other way you can strip it for pulling wires is just putting it on the ground or something, and then just digging right into it like this, just to apply pressure in, so you don't cut yourself or hurt yourself if you're putting it over your body or leg or whatever. So just put it on the ground, and you can see when you cut through it, you can see the silver, and then you just cut the ring around it like this. And then usually just try to flick this up. I usually just use strippers or something, that way you're not breaking the end of your razor blade off or whatever. But since mine's on the other side of the car, I'm going for it. So there you go. There's another way to do it right there. So anyways, just be safe about this, and hopefully these tips helped you. That's all I got for you guys today. Just wanted to give you that. And tomorrow I'll probably just talk about what I'm doing at work again. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Thanks for stopping by and watching. Hopefully these helped you out. Thanks for all the friends that watch from real life and all the people online. Hope you guys enjoy the videos, and appreciate your support as always. I will see you guys tomorrow. Don't forget to like if you enjoyed the video, and subscribe if you're new or want to support me or want to check out the videos tomorrow. So see you later, guys. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out. Alright guys, one more thing. I just want to say I will do a giveaway if this video gets 100 comments from different individual users within 24 hours. I know that's possible. Usually I only get like 6 comments a video, so it's kind of crazy, but I do usually get like 100 views in 3 hours. So if each one of you guys left a comment, I will do a giveaway, and I'll check that in 24 hours. So if you guys want me to do a giveaway, go ahead and drop a comment. Anything, doesn't matter. Try to be nice though, that would be nice. But yeah, if not, anyways, guys, I will do a giveaway at 250,000 views, and as well as 1,000 subscribers. And don't forget, 1,000 subscribers, I'm shaving my beard. Many people have never seen me without a beard, so don't forget to subscribe. It's free. See you guys later. Peace out.